Garment Saver Disposable Makeup and Hair Protector Hood. Note: the makeup guard is meant to be disposable after several uses. As such, the opening is an unfinished edge and the top is a simple serge stitch. Since there is no zipper, recommend pulling neckline out and slowly rolling garment on and off, or holding onto the makeup guard during use. PanDaDa 25 PCS White Mini Mask Spatula Scoop Disposable. The one thing Korean and Japanese skincare and makeup products do that American companies don't is include these little spatulas in with their creams, lotions, and potions. It's a freaking great idea. You aren't gooping up your manicure by sticking your finger in the jar, and more importantly, you aren't contaminating the products even if you just washed your hands. I bought a pack of 25, which will serve for eternity since they are thick, sturdy, and perfect for endless reuses. Another thing they work great on is samples. If you get a lot of samples and some come in a jar, the samples will last a lot longer since you'll bet getting a precise amount out of the container for your needs. No waste, and no mess. Oh, and I received the spatulas from China in less than 2 weeks, so it was definitely worth the wait for the price. If you're serious about your skincare and you like making those products go far, make this small investment. You'll be glad you did. CleanTryOn New Look Disposable Makeup Masks protects clothes. Each box contains 25 soft, breathable, 1x1 retrievable, and very easy to use disposable makeup masks. Use it at home or a dressing room, or whenever you need to change.focus on solving the problem of makeup marks on clothes. For women who wear makeup, this is a problem whenever they change and put on or take off clothes. For women clothing stores, it is a problem when women try on their clothes.